Subscribe and click the bell icon for all the Bollywood updates.
अरे बाप रे
बिल्कुल राइट से शुरुआत कीजिएगा आपके बोली इधर भी है।
यस मैम आपकी इधर
इधर जाओ कहां खड़ी हो? हां यही हम इधर से राइट से। हां बस अच्छा हां माशाल्लाह क्या लग रहे हैं आप बताइए।
यस मैम आपकी फोटो इधर है सर
अब धीरे-धीरे टर्न हो रहा है।
हैप्पी
मैम सामने शुक्रिया शुक्रिया
बर्गर
मंगेश दादा हो इकडे जाणार आहे।
हां मैम कटिना जी यहाँ पे देखिए जी कटिना जी रुकिए
कटिना हो
आ रहे वापस आ रहे
फोटो
अवार्ड आजकल साथ रहने के लिए अवार्ड मिल जाता है और अली अब मुझे एक साथ रहने का अवार्ड मिला है ब्यूटीफुल कपल अवार्ड। Yeah, he wants to know why we won the award.
बहुत अलग अवार्ड से नवाजा गया इस वक्त।
हाँ
जी जी
What has been the most beautiful thing of being together?
Wow, that's not one thing. There's so many things, so many things. I'm just really happy that it all sums up in one award.
Yeah.
It's usually not that easy to sum things up like this.
अच्छा आप बताना चाहिए कोई खास बात विशेष being together?
We are best friends actually. Who fell in love. That's what's nice about it.
And would like to take this further any next.
आप तो बच्चों का स्कूल भी पूछ रहे हैं। हम निकले क्या 11 बज गए।
अच्छा नहीं एक चीज we talk about both of your films also.
Yes.
The news is everywhere and it's very important to complete the role is कुछ आप हमें अपनी शुक्रिया बताएं।
Oh yeah. We started filming for Shakila. I finished one schedule और मैं आज दोपहर को आई हूँ 2 बजे. And Ali's been shooting for Prasthanam and Milan Talkies.
Yeah. Well, that's about it actually.
कितनी important रहेगी आपके
अल्लाह मालिक है मुझे बाद में पता चलेगा I don't know. I'm doing my best. It's not easy to be doing this part but I'm doing my best.
I mean, it's a true life story. I think
It's a real story, so biopics are always hard.
जी बस मिलन टॉकीज है दिग्मांशु धूलिया की फिल्म। अभी उसके 10 दिन रह गए हैं शूट के, तो मैं इसीलिए वापस आया हूँ बॉम्बे कंप्लीट करने। एंड या आई वाज शूटिंग फॉर प्रस्थानम।
नींद नहीं आ रही आपको? हम जाएं?
एक चीज और कि आपकी बातें हमेशा ही प्रभाव डालती हैं और आपके विचार भी बहुत प्रभावशाली रहते हैं। ये कुछ ऐसा चल रहा है किकी चैलेंज।
मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगी मैं 2 हफ्ते से जंगल में थी, वहाँ नेटवर्क नहीं था, तो ये क्या है मुझे नहीं पता। मैं अपने आप को इससे अक्वेंट करके दोबारा जवाब देना चाहूँगी, मुझे बिल्कुल आइडिया नहीं है।
एक ऐसा पता नहीं वीडियो वगैरह लोग बनाते हैं इसमें चलती गाड़ी से उतरते हैं और डांस करते हैं। ऐसा करते हैं लोग।
देखिए बॉम्बे में इतना ट्रैफिक होता है, कोई चलती गाड़ी से उतरेगा तो भी आराम से उतर के पूरा बूगी करके डांस कर सकता है, कोई टेंशन नहीं है। जी हाँ, बेवकूफ़ी है पर कोई बात नहीं, मस्ती है, देखते हैं। एज लॉन्ग एज नो वन गेट्स हर्ट। या
पुलिस वगैरह भी काफ़ी एहतियात बदल रही है, लोगों को कह रही है, और आप जैसे लोग इनकी बातें लोग इतनी शिद्दत से लेते हैं, तो उनका कहना बहुत ये होगा कि अगर आप भी ये करें अभी कि भाई लोग
आप मत करिए बस, मुझको पता नहीं क्या है ये। आप कीकी मत करिए, ओके? कीकी I've never heard. हम लोग थे नहीं एक्चुअली यहाँ पे। गुड नाइट।
के साथ पिक्चर ब्लेस यू ट्रॉफीज के साथ आपकी उठती है मैं मोबाइल यहाँ पे रखती थी, मोबाइल अच्छी नहीं है।
अच्छा नहीं है, बहुत अच्छा है उसका कवर।
अच्छा है
थैंक्स।
एक स्टेप इधर आइए, थोड़ा सा उधर आइए। ये परफेक्ट पोजीशन है। कैमरा में
फोटो खान साहब अरे वापस आ रहे
कैमरा छोड़ के साथ on the second mark please. दोनों सामने सामने यहाँ पे स्ट्रेट सामने एकदम सामने ऑन द सेकंड मार्क प्लीज एकदम सामने सेकंड मार्क पे यहाँ पे यार डाउन स्ट्रेट डाउन ऑन योर राइट प्लीज सोलो सामने मैम एकदम सामने आपके यहाँ पे राइट सेकंड मार्क स्विच
Yes. Hello. We are very excited and happy to be here together and happy to be in the city at around the same time.
I don't know. What am I wearing? I don't know. But my Isha is my designer. I think she's the one who dresses me. Today I'm totally black. Just landed this morning.
Well, he looks great.
What are you wearing?
I'm wearing Alice and Olivia. We are both really busy. You want to go first?
I'm working on Prasthanam with Sanjay Dutt and myself. Just been shooting that. That's it. Yeah.
I'm working on Inside Edge and Shakila.
Thanks.
I'm coming for the
Network Awards for the first time, and I'm really excited to be here. I'm wearing a Gucci dress. It's one of my favorite Gucci dresses, and I'm wearing Valentino shoes with it. Thank you.
राज थोड़ा सा आगे
Look here. Rajkumar ji, yeah. Thank you guys.
स्क्रीनिंग कहाँ है कल? पीवीआर में?
मैं आपको फोन करता हूँ 1:30 बजे के आसपास। आप सोएंगे तो नहीं? नहीं सोते ही हैं। सनी सुपर साउंड। ठीक है। जू वाला। हाँ।
That's it. Moving forward. Hi. Anjan from Vogue. Okay, like, can we get a big picture of you guys? Yes. Can you actually take a photo of my Debbie, Sharia.
एक्सक्यूज मी यहाँ पे
I'm Jung from the Vogue team, so nice to meet you. Yeah. Who are you wearing? I'd like a picture with some picture with you. Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah, the logo is here.
Where would you like it? That's me here? Sorry, I'm so sorry. Sorry.
From me as well, because then I can post it. But I don't know, so I never take lighting plans to have proper. But I never know the lighting plans to have properly, but we can try.
Well, I've judged the Vogue Beauty Awards. I'm hosting it this year and I'm really looking forward to the evening. Some very special people are going to receive felicitations from Vogue tonight, and I think it's going to be a truly beautiful night. I'm very Nikhil Tampi, and what I really love about the gown is that it's made by a fabric called Liva, which is a sustainable fabric made with eco-friendly practices, and I think it's beautiful. I think the most beautiful people are people who have positive thoughts and actions. I really believe in beauty is what beauty does. I think that fashion is transient, style is eternal, and I feel that Vogue has always celebrated style, and I think what fashion trends represent is people's mindsets, feelings, socio-political environments. You know, if you notice, the trend of colors is usually connected to seasons, it's connected to what the world is feeling. So it's very interesting to follow fashion trends and learn about them. There's lots of exciting work happening. I'm very happy and very excited about the incredible love Sanju has received, and all of us who are a part of the film are overjoyed and grateful for the audience's love. Well, more exciting work, hopefully more exciting scripts. लेकिन मैंने प्रमोशंस के टाइम भी यही कहा था कि मैं वही काम करूँगी जिसे मैं दिल से मानती हूँ और जिसको सुन के, जिसके स्टोरीज और स्क्रिप्ट्स को सुन के मेरा दिल खुश होता है. Thank you. Thank you. Run away. Go away. It's like an army following.
Hi, good evening. I am very excited. This is my first ever Vogue Beauty Awards. I just think it's what you are and it's your comfort. It is exactly what I think about fashion, and beauty is also what you are. It's your skin. I'm very excited, but it's just like 3, 2, 1, so nerves are now just creeping in, but very, very excited. I think there have been a little more changes since the last time I saw it, so I'm very excited to watch it. Thank you very much. Thank you. Hello, how are you? How are you? Hi. Hi, how are you? Very excited. Well, you know, Vogue is really, you know, the definition for all of us of fashion and beauty, and you know, today we're here, so I'm sure it's going to be very a lot of fun. Well, माहौल I think yes, हमारे लिए तो काफ़ी टाइम से माहौल रहा ही है. Even while we were shooting और शूट के बाद भी, और कल मैंने ट्रेलर देखा है, ट्रेलर लॉन्च है परसों. So I'm really looking forward to it and I'm very excited. जी, वो आप मुझसे यहाँ नहीं करवा सकते हैं. Of course. Yeah, I think जो लोग भी कर रहे हैं, they should be very, very careful about it and be responsible about it. I think it's a little dangerous. It looks very nice when people do it, but I do think that you know, challenges भी मतलब there's a line that needs to be drawn there. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Great. Hi. How are you? Thank you. Thanks. I'm feeling very, very fashionable today. Wear whatever you like, be comfortable in what you wear. I'm wearing Ishani Jaiswal and Meenawala jewelries. Yeah? Always be fashionable and Vogue. Yeah. Oh, okay. हाँ जी, मैं ही हूँ. You'll have to wait and watch. Again, you'll have to wait and watch. Let's hope so. I don't know. If there's something exciting, why not? That'd be great, I think. Thank you. Bye.
Yes, yeah, yes, over here. I have to get to the यहीं देखना।
अब राइट से शुरू करना, धीरे-धीरे कर देना।
हाँ, जानवी यहाँ देखना। जानवी यहाँ पे। जानवी
लेफ्ट साइड कॉर्नर। जानवी लेफ्ट साइड कॉर्नर।
जानवी यहाँ पे दिखता है, राइट में, राइट में, राइट में, राइट में, राइट में।
जानवी आप यहाँ। चलो सर,
ओके।
थैंक यू।
Good evening.
And first time at Vogue?
Yeah, it's my first time here.
But आपने कवर भी था ना इनके साथ?
जी कवर था लेकिन रेड कार्पेट और अवार्ड शो नहीं था. This is my first solo red carpet award show.
Must be a special feeling.
Yeah, it is special. It's a little weird too. I'm so used to accompanying mom and dad to these things. I always have their hand to hold. So now I don't know whose hand to hold. I'm a little nervous. I'm wearing Ralph and Russo. My sister Riya Didi has styled me.
What's your secret style?
My secret style statement. I don't have a style statement. My secret style statement is nothing. Just be comfortable, be happy. Beauty statement, just put as much food as you can on your face. It's good for your skin.
What next now?
Secret. I can't tell. No, you'll know. I feel like I'm not at liberty to say anything yet, but hopefully soon. I'm dying to work, but hopefully soon.
Apart from being actors, there are lots of actresses who are known for their fashion style and they are known as icon. Sonam also being one of them. Would you also aspire to be in fashion equally at greater heights in fashion, fashion icon?
I don't think anyone can touch Sonam Didi in terms of fashion, but you know, I personally love getting ready and I take a personal interest in what I wear because I enjoy getting ready so much. But I don't think anyone can try to be a fashion icon. I think that you know, as long as you enjoy yourself and people enjoy looking at you when you get ready, that's all that matters.
Done, thank you. Done, come.
Thank you.
Done, thank you. Come. For both.
Hello. Thank you.
Asha, thank you. Thank you. I think everybody is pretty wise for themselves in today's time. Kyunki the whole entire world has come to almost on your palm. So you have beauty hacks, you have everything for every solution is there for every kind of problem. So I don't know technically what should I say. What I just like to say that be comfortable, whatever you want to wear, whatever you believe in, and be happy. I think that's the most important thing. That's Batti Gul, Meter Chalu, and Uri, of course. Yes, she's signed. She's already done with one schedule of Battle of Saragadi with Rajkumar Santoshi, and I'm very excited for her. This film is still is in progress of shooting, so there's still some time to go for that. But yeah, she's wrapped it up, and she's really happy and really like. नहीं आज नहीं आई हूँ, but I'll say a hi to her. Thank you, thank you. Incident happening तो आप बना you know, honestly, if it's a I've never believed in commenting on anybody's personal life, but for everyone, if there's something special happening in their life, any occasion, obviously all the best to them. But personally, वो आप सब करते हैं, वो ये happening incident क्या? Thank you.
wrong. I think this is probably the first Vogue Beauty Awards that I'm attending. It is very special. I mean, it's Vogue after all, you know. It's probably the biggest that it gets here. So yeah, I'm very, very excited. I think it's black and gold is the theme. So you will see a lot of black beauties here and it's lovely. Yeah, it's a great evening. It's Sport. It's a British brand. So that's what I'm wearing. Thank you. Oh, hi. Happy evening to you. No, I just think it's the Beauty Awards. Let's celebrate beauty in all forms. And I think it's not important to be perfect, but it's important to be confident of who you are. And I think that's actually beautiful. So be confident of who you are, and that's probably the most beautiful thing. Thank you.
Hello. Thank you. मैं बहुत कम बाहर जाती हूँ तो जब ऐसे फंक्शन के लिए निकलती हूँ तो अच्छा ही लगता है. आप सबसे मुलाकात होती है, इंडस्ट्री के दूसरे दोस्तों से भी मुलाकात होती है, अच्छा लगता है. हाय, हाउ आर यू? जी बिल्कुल नहीं, वही मैं इनसे कह रही थी कि मैं बहुत कम बाहर निकलती हूँ क्योंकि एक्चुअली प्रमोशंस के वक्त इतना बाहर निकलती हूँ कि उसके बाद लगता है कि मैं छुप जाऊँ थोड़े दिन के लिए. जी मेरी पहली तेलुगु फिल्म होगी NTR, जो कि NTR पे एक बायोपिक है और मैं उनकी पत्नी की भूमिका निभा रही हूँ. 5 दिन की शूटिंग हुई है अब तक एंड इट्स इंटरेस्टिंग. पता नहीं था कि मैं तेलुगु बोल पाऊँगी, किस तरह से बोल पाऊँगी, पर अब तक तो सब कुछ सही चल रहा है मेरे ख्याल से. वो तो नहीं पता, पर यहाँ आकर खुश हूँ बस. Firstly, thank you, but I think beauty is a very, 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 big, large word for me. वो मेरे लिए एक सीमित नहीं है उसकी definition. I think I find beauty in things, in people, and all sorts of people, as in different looking people, and I think it's about who you are really. Yeah. आप मुझसे आके मिलिए. वो तो नहीं पता क्योंकि रिलीज कोई हो तभी तो अवार्ड्स के लिए मैं नॉमिनेट होंगी. देयर इज अ चांस दैट हैपन. एनीवे आई विल बी देयर टू चीयर whoever is winning, whoever is nominated. Thank you.
Right. डेजी मैम ऊपर सामने स्माइलिंग शेयर स्ट्रेट डाउन डेजी मैम डेजी मैम लुक हियर डेजी मैम आप हियर लेट्स लुक हियर डेजी मैम
Well, obviously my expectation is that it's going to be a lovely night. We're going to enjoy ourselves. There'll be a lot of beautiful people in there. Any beauty advice is very simple. You know, you do what you're comfortable with. I don't really advise people to follow the beauty trends. You should just follow what suits you, your skin tone and your facial features, because that's what I do. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, so I'm doing a role in the film Bharat. And my scenes will be opposite Salman Khan and Sunil Grover. And I'm playing a very interesting character. She's a Latina, Spanish, feisty girl from Malta. So it's going to be very different for me, at least. Yeah. Yeah. Not with me. No. She's not in the same scenes as me. But I mean, but she joined the film. Yeah, and it's amazing. It's great news, and I'm super excited. So it's going to be nice. Yeah.
And when we heard about the Kiki challenge, which you have
Oh God, yes.
Varun Sharma.
Yes. So Varun Sharma is a good friend, and we just finished shooting for a show together. And I really wanted to do the Kiki challenge in a very different way, in a comedy way, a little desi version of it. So I spoke to him about it, and he agreed to do it. So. I can't hear you. I don't get into that. I do whatever I want. but ours wasn't dangerous. I mean, the rickshaw was not even on. It was pushed by someone. So there was a funny take. But honestly, whatever. I mean, I'm not going to stop people from having fun, you know what I mean? Be safe, of course, but there's always different ways of doing stuff. And we were very safe when we did ours. So usually I do apply my own makeup, but when it's like events like this, I like to use my makeup artist, who's Zoya, and sometimes Marcelo or Flavia, because you know, in front of the cameras, there's a specific way you put your makeup on. But on a daily basis, and when I'm just shooting or something like that, I like to do natural makeup. Thank you. Thank you. One beauty secret? I have many, but number one tip for everybody is drink a lot of water. the more water you drink, the more hydrated your skin is, and it's best to get rid of pimples and marks and all that. Water, 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 water. No, I didn't get a chance. I tried to reach out, but she was very busy. But she sent out a message saying that she really liked the song. You're welcome. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, please take your seats. We will be opening the doors in 10 minutes. Thank you.
I'm started tomorrow.
Hi, how are you doing? You alright?
I'm good, how are you?
Very well.
Who are you?
My name is
No idea. I'm directing, I'm writing, I'm producing, I'm doing everything.
Good to see you.
Either her.
I'm telling you, we need to talk.
Sure.
But you're looking
Very
too
beautiful, very good.
Too beautiful. Chalo. Is there anything needs to be done? Angad, come.
Being here? How excited about you being
Okay,
here?
I'm not very excited to be here. I'm here because Priya is a friend and Vogue is, something that it's a magazine that I love to read. And it's too much pressure getting dressed. It's not at all exciting. But it's great. We'll go inside and meet friends, yeah. कि झूठ बोलना था यहाँ पे आके.
No, I'm very excited.
Lies.
No, I am because it's the first ever time that I've been invited for an event by Vogue. And I think it's all due credit to my wife because as you can see, मुझे नहीं पता मैंने पहना क्या, but I know Nikhil and Shantanu have made my outfit. But she's chosen it, so yes.
See how badly paid people are in this place.
Yeah, so I'm extremely excited to be here and thank you for having us. Yeah.
I'm wearing Anamika Khanna and I'm wearing jewelry that I've bought literally off the street in Jaipur. I know that the memo said black and gold, but I like mixing it up once in a while.
You can go and look for RJ there. Look for RJ there.
Sorry.
Sorry. You're one of
Yes,
the
yes,
judges.
yes, yes, yes. It was very hard judging so many beauty products. To me, all of them looked absolutely similar. And it was a high stress moment for me because it was 3 days before my hush-hush wedding. So when Vogue said, why aren't you showing up on time? I couldn't tell them that I was actually getting married in literally 48 hours. So it was a high pressure moment for me. Thank you very much.
Yep. Hi. I'm very excited. I mean, this is my first time I'm attending the Vogue Awards, and yeah, I'm just excited to be a part of it. Worst style statement. I think mixing of the brands. Wearing too many brands, I think that's the worst thing one can do. Good evening, sir. I think so. Men are equally beauty conscious. I mean, मेरे हिसाब से तो वो पहले से भी है. वो आज से नहीं है, बहुत पहले से है. With me also, I think my mom and dad, अगर मैं compare करूँ तो मेरे पापा ज़्यादा beauty conscious है मेरी माँ से. So वो बहुत time से चला आ रहा है. For the next film, my next movie is Luka Chuppi, which is with Kriti Sanon, and it's a Maddox Films production, and Lakshman Utekar is going to be directing it, and I'm starting my shoot from tomorrow, so I'm actually leaving tomorrow and shooting from day after. By the way, मैं उसमें reporter ही बना हूँ, तो मैं बहुत सारे interviews लेने वाला हूँ. सॉरी सर, क्या? अरे सर, आवाज़ बहुत, गाना बहुत तेज चल रहा है. सर आप पे मैंने आपको बहुत बार नोटिस किया है, आपके क्वेश्चंस बहुत अच्छे होते हैं. हर बार आप रेडी रहते हैं और इतने सारे एक्टर्स आते हैं, एक्ट्रेसेस आती हैं, लेकिन सबके लिए आपके पास कम से कम 5 से 10 सवाल होते हैं जो उनके हिसाब से होते हैं. सो विच इज़ अ ग्रेट थिंग. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
No, I'll hold this. हेलो, क्या सवाल पूछेंगे आप? Yeah, I mean इसीलिए we have the stylist because stylists always ask कि हम क्या event है, because it's a fashion event, so stylists wanted a fashion look. And filmy होता है तो थोड़ा filmy, but because it's fashion they want to do little over the top, and it's Vogue Beauty Awards, and Vogue is famous for the beauty. Vogue is famous unke covers, and their whole shoot is always extra and getting everything new every time, so I guess that's the reason. I'm wearing Rami Kadi, and the look is a wet hair look with a bold lips. We wanted to do something different. Hair ka thoda androgynous feel rakha hai. So it just looks sexy and a little different. I hope so. That's the whole idea. Event that I'm looking forward. I don't know, my film releases. I have like some 3 releases this year, so I think I'm looking forward to that. Paltan, my Iranian film Devil's Daughter, and then Total Demand. नहीं हो रही मेरी शादी, बॉयफ्रेंड भी नहीं है, मत पूछो मुझसे, मिलेगा तो बता दूँगी. She'd never called me and told me it's true or not. I didn't get that phone call or a message. I swear she didn't call me. I don't know. Anything else? She didn't call me. So sad. She didn't call me. I wish I was the first person she calls and says that. But she didn't tell me. I don't know. But if she is, I mean, she's a queen. She deserves nothing less than that.
that?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah?
What's special with the Vogue Instagram? What's special with the Vogue Instagram?
Well, it's just a picture we attend.
Ladies and gentlemen, move out to the east.
Right, please. अपने सामने मैम यहाँ पे सामने right please मैम second one पर second one Rajini yes ma'am इकडे वरती समोर ma'am समोर ma'am या दिला ma'am इकडे समोर रवीना ma'am
Thank you. Hi. Yes, it is a happy evening. Hi, Ravi. What's my secret? I can't hear the last word. Sorry. Secret beauty tip. So if I tell everyone, then what's the point? I believe vitamin E, I think is very, very important. So whether it's external or internal, vitamin E in the form of dry fruits like almonds and stuff. And vitamin E oil is great for the hair, great for your skin. So that is something I swear by. I'm wearing Drishna Zara. 1 second. 1 second. I just have to fix something. 1 second. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah. No, whom you asked me whom am I wearing today? Yeah. Yeah, we went ahead, right? I told you. Yeah. You know, somehow I'm not being able to hear you with the music. You speak up a little louder. That's I'm not understanding what you're saying. Oh, what next project? So I am sifting through a couple of scripts now. If something nice comes along, then I definitely will do it. And you had asked me about the designer. It's Drishna Zara. So just don't think Zara because I said the Drishna little soft. So it's Drishna Zara. Yes, Sumit.
just back from Monday, we see lots of pictures from your side. It's refreshing coming back from a break.
I think it's always better. Everyone should get a break once in a while. And you get so used to the monotonous way of life, तो कहीं भी निकल जाओ, चाहे वो weekend break हो या anywhere with your loved ones, you come back refreshed, recharged, and ready to hit it back again. Thank you. I think it's amazing. So I think it's great the way she's handled her life, her career. I'm very proud of her. Thank you.
रवीना जी रवीना जी
Miss India. Miss India.
center, look center. You are right. एकदम समोर इकडे. Straight down, yes. You're right. You're on the first one. Yes. Yes, over here. Look straight here. Hey, stop. Over here. Look straight here. Over here. Here, look straight here. I'm over here. Yes, straight here. Here, right here. Here, left. Here, center. Here, look this camera. Yes, second one. Yes, look here. Yeah, straight here. Right here, look here. Yeah, straight. Yeah, right. Yeah, यहाँ पे ऊपर. Right here. Here, to left. Yeah, right here. Right. Yeah, यहाँ पे. Right. Yeah, यहाँ पे ऊपर. Yes, look here. Yeah. Here. Over here. Yeah. Right पे. Yes, ma'am. Right. Look here. आइए. सामने एकदम राजकुमार यहाँ पे सामने सामने राज से यहाँ पे ऊपर सामने यहाँ पे
Hi. Oh, just 1 second. Hi. I'm very excited. I'm getting this award. So I think it feels great whenever I get an award. And last year was very special. So I think the journey is still on. So yeah, as excited as last year. I'm wearing Hugo Boss. Yeah. Hi. How are you, sir? Long time. Yeah. Thank you. Of course, I'm very happy about this, and I only have gratitude. I think God has been really kind that I got the chance to work with some phenomenal filmmakers, and that's the reason I think I could perform the way I could perform. और मैं उन सभी का बहुत आभारी हूँ, दिल से आभारी हूँ जो मेरे काम को पसंद करते हैं, आप सब. So thank you so much. It just motivates me to do better. Yes, पन्ने की स्क्रीनिंग चल रही है आज हमारी. मुझे यहाँ आना था तो इसलिए मैं नहीं जा पाया, बट कल एक और स्क्रीनिंग है तो वो मैं फिल्म देखूंगा वहाँ पर. I'm very excited for पन्ने खान and for Stree as well. मर्द को दर्द होगा इस साल. आयुष्मान ऑफ कोर्स खुद बहुत इतने अच्छे इंसान हैं. Of course, I've seen the film. I think both Ishaan and Janhvi, they both are phenomenal in the film, and the film also itself is I really liked it. And शशांक ने बहुत अच्छी फिल्म बनाई है, बहुत अच्छा अडैप्ट किया है सायरात को राजस्थान में. And I hope I one day, I'm very hopeful that जानवी और मैं साथ में बहुत जल्दी कोई फिल्म भी करेंगे. फोटो जानवी मैंने बहुत पहले साथ में कर लिया उनकी फिल्म आने से पहले, but of course it will be, I think I'll be honored if Janhvi takes a picture with me. Oh yeah, I'm very happy for her. I think if she has found the right partner, there's nothing better in life than to find a right partner. So I'm very happy for her if it's true. नहीं सर, ये मेरी नहीं है, एक पूरी टीम है हमारे साथ. मेरी स्टाइलिस्ट है ईशा, जो मुझे जो पहनाती है मैं चुपचाप पहन लेता हूँ. बाकी मेरी पर्सनल स्टाइलिस्ट तो आई थिंक पत्रलेखा भी हैं, जो मुझे काफ़ी मदद करती हैं, काफ़ी हेल्प करती हैं कि मैं क्या पहनूँ क्या ना पहनूँ. बट आई थिंक फॉर एवरीथिंग दैट यू सी मी फॉर अपीयरेंसेस, द क्रेडिट गोज टू ईशा बंसाली. शी रॉक्स. Thank you. Yes, see you tomorrow. Please watch the film Fanekha and Stree both. I'm sure you'll enjoy both the films. Thank you. मुझे भी आप पे बहुत भरोसा है. Thank you, Jildi. Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Hi. Hi. How are you? Good evening. About today, I'm always excited about Beauty Awards because it gives you a time to sort of express yourself and be as fashionable as you can. And I love Vogue, yeah. I mean, nothing is better than that. So I think it's my dress, you know? I know you know. Gee. Beauty advice, wear what you can shine best in. Yeah? All right? Yeah, I know. You have. Hello.
On your right.
Now on your
Center, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. आप right पे देखिए. Yes, ma'am. सामने सोनाक्षी मैम ऊपर सोनाक्षी मैम सोनाक्षी जी यहाँ पे मैम मैम यहाँ पे सोनाक्षी मैम सोनाक्षी मैम यहाँ पे राइट पे सोनाक्षी मैम यहाँ पे सामने आपके
Hi. Hello.
very happy evening. पूरे जो कैमरामैन से डेज़ल्ड हो गए आप.
असली सोना हूँ ना तो
सोने में
dazzle तो हूँ ही. Thank you.
सबसे पहले मैं आपसे जानता हूँ who are you wearing today?
This is a designer called Ali Yunus, and I'm very happy because I didn't have to accessorize at all. The dress speaks for itself, and I've been styled by my favorite stylist Mohit Rai. So yeah.
ब्यूटी के हमेशा आपने हर एक मापदंड देखे हैं. हम लोग एक भी नहीं. उसके बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहते हैं?
Sorry, किसके बारे में?
ब्यूटी के standards.
जी.
You have gone through all the standards for beauty.
Oh wow, thank you.
Yeah, and given answers to everyone.
Yeah.
What you would like to say now?
I think it's very important to feel beautiful within yourself and very important to be confident with yourself. That's when your inner beauty really comes out. And honestly, हम ऐसे profession में हैं जहाँ पर beauty does play a very important role. But for me, it's always been very, very important to be beautiful from within.
एक ऐसा इवेंट इस साल का जो आप look forward कर रहे हो, सभी लोग जानना चाहते हैं.
ऐसा इवेंट?
इवेंट कौन सी ऐसी घटना थी अपनी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री की कोई?
अच्छा, फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में मैं कहने वाली थी मेरा बर्थडे तो चला गया, अब अगले बर्थडे को मैं का मैं वेट कर रही हूँ।
सोनाक्षी ने नहीं पता कौन सा इवेंट?
इवेंट मतलब ऐसे क्या?
अच्छा चलो ठीक है, ये हम बता देते हैं इवेंट इनमें से कौन सा है।
आप मुझे कैलेंडर देंगे इस साल का?
मतलब इवेंट बता रहा हूँ, एक तो प्रियंका की मैरिज।
अच्छा, उन्होंने कहा आपको?
नहीं नहीं ऐसे लोग,
उन्होंने कहा आपको? तो फिर
आपका क्या रिएक्शन है कि आप गेटिंग मैरिड और समथिंग?
if they are, then I'm happy for them, but I'm not sure I'm the right person to be breaking this news or not. I have not been told anything, so don't go by my word. नहीं नहीं हम नहीं हम इतने क्लोज नहीं है जी। Yes, just around the corner. Yes. पूछिए।
बताइए हमें कि कितना आपको उसमें व्यस्त होना पड़ेगा प्रमोशंस?
Well, आप जानते हैं प्रमोशंस कैसे होते हैं, एंड अभी I just started today in fact with my round of interviews and I'm going to be very very busy in the coming month. 24th August को रिलीज हो रही है हैप्पी, फिर भाग जाएगी, and I'm really excited about it. So अब भागम दौड़ शुरू and प्रमोशन शुरू।
बर्थडे के समय आप हमेशा चली जाती हैं, कुछ इस बार की ऐसी विश?
मैं छुप जाती हूँ आपसे नहीं, ऐसी कोई विश नहीं है, बट आई यू नो मी, आई एम अ वेरी लो की पर्सन। मुझे अच्छा लगता है मेरी प्राइवेसी, मेरे अपने क्लोज जो लोग हैं साथ में, वो मुझे पसंद है ज़्यादा। सो दैट्स व्हाई आई जस्ट टेक ऑफ अवे फ्रॉम इट ऑल। आई डोंट लाइक टू हैव अ वेरी बिग सेलिब्रेशन।
कोई गिफ्ट मिला इस बार?
बहुत गिफ्ट मिले एक गिफ्ट मेरी मॉम ने मुझे एक बहुत सुंदर पेयर ऑफ इयररिंग्स दिए हैं, तो वो बहुत ही डियर है मेरे हार्ट को।
पिक्चर देखा था, मतलब हाउ कैन आई कांट डिस्क्राइब इट बट सो फिट इन दिस, जैसे वर्टिकल एंड एब्स वगैरह के साथ में।
वो एब्स जी थोड़े थोड़े आ रहे हैं, मैं बहुत मेहनत कर रही हूँ, तो दे बेटर कम, अदरवाइज आई हैव टू लाइक बीट देम आउट ऑफ मी। आई थिंक नहीं, एक तरह से जब आप एक फिटनेस जर्नी पर चले जाते हैं और जब आप रिजल्ट देखते हैं तो खुद आप अपने मोटिवेशन बन जाते हैं। एंड आई बीन कंसिस्टेंटली ट्राइंग टू इम्प्रूव ऑन माई सेल्फ, नॉट बीइंग इंस्पायर्ड बाय एनीबडी, बट खुद पर काम करना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है। थैंक यू सो मच। थैंक यू सो मच। थैंक यू। आपसे हमेशा बात करनी बहुत अच्छा लगा।
I am quite excited actually. I'm stepping out to any event after a while. So, and this is pretty much it, you know. Yeah. I'm wearing an outfit by Human, and they've styled it and designed it. So, thank you.
Yeah, look straight here. Center here. Look at this camera. One more straight here. And Himalayas here on your right, please. Oh yeah, look here. Here you're on your right.
Second one. Yes, यहाँ पे up over here.
Yes, look here. Up over here. Himalayas down. Look here. Very down. Right here. Center. Thank you.
अभी
सामने एकदम जैसे हमारे टॉप लाइन था। मैम इधर सामने गंगा जी सामने यहाँ पे गंगा जी यहाँ पे मैम सामने ना जी इधर भी गंगा जी यहाँ पे सामने एकदम सामने गंगा जी यहाँ पे सामने गंगा जी
एक्सट्रीम राइट।
नो राइट हियर सेंटर
गंगा जी सेंटर में हम टुवर्ड्स राइट एकदम सामने
गंगा जी सामने मैम सामने यहाँ पे
सामने यहाँ पे
गंगा जी राइट में देखिए, राइट में भी
यहाँ पे
यस राइट राइट साइड गंगा जी अभी राइट में
गंगा जी यहाँ
पे राइट पे हां
गंगा मैम लोग क्या मैम गंगा मैम यहाँ पे
गंगा मैम यहाँ पे
गंगा
Yes. This is Gaurav Gupta, and he has made this specialized, customized costume for Liva. You know Liva, right? Liva is a fabric, and it's specially made for this evening. And Liva is the sponsor of this evening. Very good, sir. Very good. So yes, Liva is the sponsor of this event, and so I'm wearing Liva. I've been endorsing Liva for a while now, and it's like you can see, like when I entered, everyone's like, wow. So that's the impact of the garment and the fabric. So very happy to be here tonight. Beauty secret. I try and be healthy. I try and do yoga when I can, and I try and make you know, good choices when it comes to eating.
Happy evening. You have been always such a powerful personality when you come for any event. Is it comes from your inside, or your statesman, or whatever?
Well, I think I mean I've been a very confident person from the beginning. Even as a kid, I was quite confident, if that's what you're asking. But yeah, I don't like to play meek or damsel in distress. You know, like how some girls really do it well, and they benefit also a lot from always playing the damsel in distress. Not my case. I'm not convincing in that role.
We have very limited time, so we just everyone wanted to ask any event which you are looking forward for the event in this year, any bada koi event. To be particular, everyone wants to ask like about Priyanka's marriage. So we haven't able to ask him. So you got the opportunity.
Well, I spoke to Priyanka the other day and I congratulated her, and she's responded in a very you know, sort of she seems excited and very happy. So I mean, of course, if such a thing is sort of event is taking place, I would love to celebrate with her, because she's lovely and she deserves all the happiness, and she's a very close friend, very dear friend, and I get very happy and excited with weddings and engagements, pretty much like Begane Shadi Mein Abdullah. That's my scene.
She confirmed the date?
No, not to me. Not to me.
After that, everyone look forward to you.
We'll have this last question. So, mate, you've not popped the question. So, how can I decide a date?
Okay. Thank you. Kanna, money करने के बारे में next time पूछे?
Yes.
And mental also.
I have been warned. Please don't do this to me.
Start from here. Look at me, little bit here. Cobra state. Oh, that was so cute. On your right face. Control it. Just look here. Look this camera. Ma'am, your right side. On your right face. Ma'am on the second one. Kubra, just ma'am on the second. Kubra, look straight. One more. Look at the right. Kubra, ma'am, here. Stream right. Ma'am, here. Stream right. Sumit sir, रुको ना. Kubra, just hold it. Second mark आ जाओ. Ma'am on the second. हाँ. Second mark. Ma'am, second mark. हाँ. Kubra, यहाँ पे सामने. Kubra, just straight here. यहाँ देखने पूरा मैम यहाँ पे ऊपर राइट राइट यस राइट पूरा यहाँ पे हाँ पूरा मैम यहाँ पे look here we want your smile here straight down पूरा मैम यहाँ पे just right here पूरा मैम यहाँ straight राइट में देखो एक्सट्रीम में थैंक यू हाँ राइट में थोड़ा यहाँ पे क्या चाहिए जी
You guys are horrible. Hi, Daddy. How are you? Okay, I have to stay here? Okay.
Profile.
Let me go through.
Thank you.
Let me go through.
Honey. Honey.
How are you?
Good, and you?
Looking good. Looking
Yes. Thank you very much. A very happy evening to you. Thank you. Yes. I was instructed that it's Beauty Awards and I have to be at my beautylicious best tonight.
And you are.
Thank you.
The magic is all over.
I have been warned not to smile and laugh, but I can't help it. Sorry. I'm very happy to be here.
See how popular you have become. You
I
were
know.
always, but like now people are like.
I know. I didn't know that good work can actually. I always actually believe that I want to be known for the work that I do and be appreciated for it and be loved. And this is just so amazing. Thank you. Thank you to everybody. Thank you.
Have been advised like any beauty suggestions would you like to place for the audience and the viewers?
So the one beauty suggestion that I have is the fact that you must try something new, experiment. All of you know I never dress like this. So this is actually very different for me. It's experimental, but never forget to feel comfortable in your skin. So you should never forget who you are and who your personality is. And I guess that's always a winner.
And we are going to see some more.
Yes, I hope. I hope so too.
But you have to confirm it right now, Bhoya.
Yes, I'm sure, yes. I start working on my next project very soon, like in the next 4 days. So I'm quite excited.
बताते जाओ ना अभी कैसा हो.
My shiny lips are sealed for now.
And would you be like you have gone through the other side and you used
Yeah.
to be in this
Right.
So now this game is over for you.
No, I'm still going to be on your side and I'm still going to enjoy asking questions and also enjoy answering questions because there's always two sides to a coin.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Once more. Thank you.
Thank you. That's it.
One more. No. पूरा फिर से खेलना. Once more. पूरा once more. No.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hello.
Together here in mind.
Yes, both of you. Over here, both of you.
Right in the center, please.
Thank you.
Sumiti.
I'm Kavitra.
Sumiti, second one. Keep looking straight. Thank you. Sumiti, straight here. Sumiti, यहाँ देखना right. Your right or your right. Possible chin now.
Sumit से यहाँ पे.
जी. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
किस कैटेगरी में मुझे बताना?
हार्ट थ्रॉब ऑफ द ईयर कैटेगरी में मुझे अवार्ड सराहा गया. सो आई एम रियली हैप्पी. मैं आशा करूँगा मैं हार्ड वर्क करता रहूँगा अगले साल, उसके बाद भी अगले साल कि मेरे को हर साल हार्ट थ्रॉब मिलता रहे साल का. थैंक यू. थैंक यू.
सरताज जी. सर. अरे बसा ऊपर बसा. हमारे ये प्रिय बच्चे का. सर आगे आइए ना. सरताज जी. सर यहाँ पे सर. सर यहाँ पे सर राइट साइड सर यहाँ पे. अरे फोन. सर यहाँ पे सर.
Extreme right. Extreme right. On your extreme right.
Left. सर यहाँ पे. एक सेकंड. Yes. Just pan left to right sir. सर यहाँ पे सामने एकदम. Yes. Right. Right here sir.
सर यहाँ पे ऊपर.
My hands yes. Thank you. Thank you.
Same picture. Always. Sir. ट्रॉफी के साथ बाइट करें।
बाइट नहीं, बस हो गया बाइट।
विजुअल दे दो ट्रॉफी में विजुअल ट्रॉफी के साथ फोटो ट्रॉफी
ट्रॉफी दीजिए।
हां आप साइड हो जाओ।
एक्सट्रीम साइड से शुरू करना।
ऐसे साइड सुमित क्या देखना? जानवी या देखना। जानवी लुक गया। जानवी लुक गया। कार्तिक राइट से कार्तिक राइट से कार्तिक क्या कार्तिक राइट में एक बार कार्तिक यहाँ पे कार्तिक
on your extreme right, on your extreme right, on your extreme right, hold, smile.
कार्तिक अभी
कार्तिक भाई यहाँ पे। Thank you संचिता। Thank you सुमित जी। Yeah, take the mic.
Sorry? Yeah.
Cut कर दो। Cut. Good evening to you.
Good evening.
How was the function and the ceremony award function?
It was really nice. This is the first time I'm attending Vogue Beauty Awards. So it's really nice to be here.
Any suggestions for beauty would you like to suggest for the audience, viewers?
Well, I think beauty means so many different things. And to me, the kind of family I've grown up in, it's always about staying true to our roots when it comes to beauty rituals, when it comes to hair oils and all of that. So yeah, like it's all in our culture.
It's equally important to project your beauty nicely. It's also
Yeah, I think it's important to be a nice person and nice to people. And then I think you automatically become more beautiful when people like you and you're kind to people. So yeah.
Before you leave, can I ask you, have you heard about the Kiki challenge?
No, I haven't actually. What is it?
It's a challenge in which the people just get down on their moving cars and start dancing.
Why?
It's become a viral sort of thing.
Why do people do that?
But it's becoming hazardous also, dangerous also.
Yeah, it sounds like a really dangerous thing to do, so don't do it. Don't do the Kiki challenge.
As an idea, and when you say something,
Yeah, people should not do anything stupid. I mean, use your brain. Think about what you're doing before you do it. Thank you.
बाकी कोई नहीं चाहिए
रुक जाइए, पीछे रुक जाइए। चलिए मैम, सब लोग पीछे हो जाए। पीछे हो जाइए मैम, पीछे हो जाइए। हाँ, मैं साइड में।
Very well, सबसे पहले तो जानना चाहते हैं कि who are you wearing today?
Who am I wearing today?
one second. Okay, Shalina has designed my clothes. Thank you very much. Thank you. या यार मैं I've been busy. हमारा बस आखिरी 2 दिन रह गया है हमारी फिल्म का आनंद राय के साथ, तो इंशाल्लाह कल परसों ख़त्म हो जाएगा. So yeah, I've been traveling, finishing that off, and अब मैं यहीं रहूँगा. अभी 2 दिन में ख़त्म हो जाएगा. यार वो आनंद राय साहब ही करेंगे. अभी तो हम सब लोग काम में मसरूफ़ थे. कल परसों हमारी शूटिंग आखिरी है. फिर उसके बाद पैच वर्क रह गया था थोड़ा सा, तो वो ख़त्म करूँ. तो फिर आनंद सर ही वो मुझे बोलते हैं इस फिल्म के बारे में सिर्फ मैं बात करूँगा, तुम मत कर. तो मैं बात बिल्कुल नहीं करूँगा, वही करेंगे. सॉरी यार, मुझे जेन्युइनली मालूम सारा कुछ जो है कलर येलो कर रहे हैं. द होल क्रिएटिव एस्पेक्ट ऑफ द फिल्म इज़ हैंडल्ड बाय कलर येलो. तो थोड़ा मुश्किल है बिकॉज ऑफ द विजुअल इफेक्ट्स. तो हर चीज़ में वक्त लगता है. सो यू नो इट्स नॉट लाइक अ रेगुलर फिल्म कि आज डिसाइड किया परसों बन गया. तो हमने डिसाइड किया हुआ है, लेकिन कब तक बन के तैयार हो जाएगा वो आनंद सर और उनकी टेक्निकल टीम को मालूम है. विजुअल इफेक्ट्स रेड चिलीज़ को मालूम है. सो वो लगे हुए कोई मुझे भी पता नहीं है कब है. मैंने उससे अपने आप को बाहर रखा हुआ है यार, बिकॉज जो मुझे काम करना पड़ता है फिल्म में वो बहुत इंजॉयबल है, लेकिन बहुत टाइम कंज्यूमिंग है. तो इसलिए मैंने कहा मैं इससे दूर रहता हूँ क्रिएटिव एस्पेक्ट से और मार्केटिंग से. हाँ यार, मेरे को सब बोलते हैं ऐसे इंस्टाग्राम पे कुछ कर दो, बहुत दिन हो गए, क्या वो इंस्टाग्राम स्टोरी डाल दो. तो मैं वो प्रैक्टिस कर रहा हूँ. अभी मैंने सीख लिया है, पूरा नहीं सीखा है लेकिन मैं कर रहा हूँ. शायरी नहीं, वो नॉर्मल होगा. शायरी साउंड करता होगा मेरे से. मैंने लिखा? तुमने लिखा?
आपने लिखा था, इन्हें देखा.
नहीं भाई, किसी और का देख रहा है, किसी और खान का देख रहा है.
चलिए, थैंक यू.
To be honest, I look forward to this Vogue. I want to thank जो इस Vogue के करता धरता हैं प्रिया और अनाइटा. और मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि मुझको उन्होंने ऐसे अल्टीमेट मैन ऑफ द डेकेड अवार्ड दिया है, जिससे मेरे को बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है. और उन्होंने मेरी बेटी को Vogue के कवर पे डाला जो नेक्स्ट है. तो मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छा मोमेंट है और मेरे बच्चों के लिए बहुत बड़ी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि इतना बड़ा प्लेटफॉर्म उनको मुहैया है, उनको दिया गया है. सो उनको और भी मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी, क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली जितने भी ऑल द चिल्ड्रन जो फिल्म इंडस्ट्री से हैं उनको कुछ ना कुछ एंटाइटलमेंट मिलती है, क्योंकि वो फिल्मों के कलाकारों के बच्चे हैं. बट आई थिंक इफ़ यू आर एबल टू गिव देम रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी दे विल डू बेटर. सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट Vogue हैज़ बीन सो काइंड.
थैंक यू. काफ़ी शादी का सीन है, तो काफ़ी सेलिब्रिटीज़ की शादी होने वाली है, तो आप उसमें कुछ कहना चाहेंगे? जैसे
हाँ, मैं भी कर रहा हूँ. मैं मैं ज़रूर तुमको मैं न्योता भेजूंगा मैं. हाँ, मेरा कार्ड आएगा रिसेप्शन, और ना मेहंदी पे ज़रूर आना. ठीक है?
थैंक यू सो मच. शाहरुख सर, प्लीज
Hello. Thank you. The award is about inspiring people and being an inspiration. I think almost every year I try and attend the Vogue Beauty Awards. Working with the Vogue team is always an inspiration to me. Anaita Shroff is someone who's been with me since the very first day that I started working in my career. So she's always been an inspiration, a fashion inspiration, and I think a guide, and a very important guide. She's done so many of my films, created so many amazing looks for the characters we played in the films. And I always find it extremely inspiring to be working with them. So I think maybe this is a nice way of exchanging our compliments for each other. So the award for the year was for the inspiration.
Very short time, but you have been very graceful, like in coming up and saving the film Bharat. So now you join it. Can you just tell us, say something on it, like as you joined the cast?
अच्छा ऐसा तो नहीं है. I don't see it that way at all. Honestly, Ali Abbas Zafar is a very dear friend of mine. पहले हम लोग साथ में काम कर चुकी थी मेरे ब्रदर की दुल्हन में, and then इसके बाद टाइगर जिंदा है में. And both of the films were extremely successful, and more importantly, they were experiences which for me were really wonderful, and I really enjoyed both the experiences working with him. And when he contacted me, he just said, Katrina, he calls me Goldfish. So he said, Goldfish, I'm going to send you a script, just react to it and tell me what you think. And I read the script and I thought it was an absolutely wonderful script, and I was extremely excited about the character, and I'm very happy to be a part of the film.
Apprehensive to like someone's exit and then you coming in?
See, always the way that I've chosen my films has always been purely based on the script for me and what the character is. So for me, it's extremely exciting to be working with the team again. Extremely exciting to be working with the team again. It's a wonderful script, and I completely love the character that I'm going to play. So very excited for that.
You are there for the Manish Malhotra show?
Yes, I'll be walking with Manish.
Thank you.
Thank you.
On your right.
Dada,
go.